Hi, this is Vatsala here from Bonito Designs. I want to just take you through our factory in which we have recently imported a couple of machines which are helping us to improve our quality and to deliver the products at a greater speed. And I would like to just introduce you to the couple of machines here. This machine is called as a panel saw. In this machine, generally what we will be doing is the cutting. And this is how we will be placing the ply here. And the only advantage of machinery is over the carpentry finish is the cutting and everything will be very uniform, and also the edges will be completely finished. And if you can see this piece of ply, in case of a carpentry he will be using the blade. And the problem with the carpentry is one thing, that all the carpenters will not be skilled. So if I trust one carpenter, the other carpenter may not do the same. That is how we realized the problem with the carpenters, and we recently imported these 3 machines, and we will be shortly upgrading ourselves with 1 more machine in 2-3 months. I would like to show you this. This is how the ply will be placed here. And once we will take the measurement here, this is for the horizontal measurement wherein we will give the distances. And once that is done, and this is how we are going to cut. This is called as a scoring blade, and that is the cutting blade in which we will be cutting the products. And this is the kind of an cement finish which will be straight throughout. There will be not even a 1 mm bend right from the end to the complete end of the ply. Okay. Yeah. Once that ply is cut and everything is done, and next comes the edge banding. This edge banding is the manual edge banding which we are having right now. And in this we will be putting the edge banding on this roller here over here. And this will be passed down like this, and as soon as we do this, and the edge banding will come from there and it will pass through here. And so that whatever the edge banding you can see here, you can see here. This will also be very uniform, and this edge banding we will get to the matching color of the laminate. N number of laminates we can match edge banding with n number of laminate, and the finishing also will be very uniform. And the glue which we will be using which will dry very fast. I think you can have a closer look. And in this case actually there is a plastic pasted there. If you can take off this plastic, no, you can see this uniform finish here. And this corners after putting the edge banding, this will be trimmed off by using a trimmer, so that you will get this smooth rounded edges. And once the edge banding is done, next comes the boring machine. The machine which we are having here is the multi-spindle drilling machine, which will be drilling in the 2 ways, that is in this direction as well as in this direction. That is, there is perpendicular drilling operation in this. I'll just take you through one of the samples wherein we have done the boring. This is called as a multi-boring. In this you see, you can see a hole here also, and also in this direction also. These are the 2 perpendicular directions. The drilling will be done here. And once that drilling is done, we have something called as a mini fix, camel and down, that we will be fixing in this direction. This will go from here, and 1 more from the horizontal direction. And the advantage of the modular furnitures is, any time, any point of time, if you want to shift your customized furnitures from one place to another place, it is like just half an hour game. You can unscrew them and you can place them wherever you want. We'll keep you updated with the new kinds of the products and behind the scene videos. Thank you.